Remember this?
Yeah, but I don't want to use it.
Yeah, but we'll just counteract and show them.
Yeah.
So let's see. I'll just change it. You can put it.
This is the best part.
It
It just looks so yum. Wait.
Thank
What
you.
do you?
No guys.
बस
So हमने ये टेक्निक नहीं यूज की थी. She'll show you with the look and feel. Is it hot enough?
It feels like I don't want to. So you basically just nicely spread it, and then you take it back like that. Am I doing it? I am doing it after ages.
Yes. Perfect. So what she's doing is basically spreading it ताकि वो अच्छे से cool down हो जाए. And जैसे ही वो thick होने लगता है, look, she's working like a professional. And वो thick होने लगेगा. Yeah.
Already started.
Yes. And
I think this is the last one I'm doing.
yes, I know. So she's already understood it. Where are you going to check and tell them?
I will just do it.
इनका थोड़ा
What's
हाँ
your
बस ऐसे
checking point? Yes.
Yeah, I can feel it here.
Yeah, so this is your most sensitive part as you see, and the lip. So do you wanna try? You try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost like it.
Yeah. Okay. So there you go. So because ये हमारा sensitive part है, this is how she learned. आप देख सकते हैं chocolate thick हो गया. So she could recognize without me even taking the temperature that ये setting point पे आ चुका है. So then this chocolate can now go into mold. Should we make something out of it now? कुछ bars आप लोग देखना चाहेंगे कुछ chocolate बनाते हुए इसके बाद?
Let's get bars.
Yeah,
Let's
bars
make
बनाएं.
bars.
चलिए.
Not bars.
Yeah, चलिए. कुछ tasty which even they should be able to taste कि आपने क्या chocolate बनाया है.
It's Saira, yeah. Saira जो है वो chocolate shop में एक chocolate shop चलाती है, chocolates बनाती है. And in fact, शिव और सायरा पहली बार उसकी chocolate shop में मिलते हैं. तो of course that is very important, and because I was playing someone who makes chocolates and हम थोड़ा बहुत दिखा रहे हैं सायरा को chocolate बनाते हुए, so it was important for me to do it like a pro. एक और सीन है जिसमें आपने एक मोन्टाज देखा होगा जिसमें सुशांत और मैं दोनों चॉकलेट लेकर कर रहे हो, किसी को समझ में नहीं आया होगा है क्या, बट दैट वाज टेम्परिंग एंड मैं टेम्परिंग कर रही होती हूँ and he just joins me in it. So there were these two scenes which were a part of it. I don't think it kind of added to the chemistry. I think we didn't need the chocolate to add to the chemistry.
I like that.
But yeah, it's something, as I said, it's a very important scene. When he comes to the chocolate shop, so it's always nice to sort of establish the characters with their professions as well. Especially chocolate making is something she sort of finds her peace in. It makes her happy. She starts her day with it. When she's going back, we made sure कि जो scenes थे जिसमें मैं अपनी chocolate shop बंद करके जा रही हूँ, I had boxes. So normally आप chocolate बनाते हो तो जो chocolate बच जाती है आप उनको लेके जाते हो. You sometimes, depending on the chocolate, you can remelt it, you can turn it into another kind of chocolate, you can refrigerate it and stuff. So we did pay attention to all those small details.